How to make natural Viagra using only 2 ingredients. There are many people that have problems when it comes to their sexual function, and most commonly they treat it with Viagra since they think it is the only solution. However, there is another even more effective remedy, and the best part is that it's made of natural ingredients which don't cause side effects. You won't have any trouble preparing it since all you need are just few ingredients that are easily found and you can purchase them in almost every grocery store. We should mention that these ingredients are potent aphrodisiacs. Necessary ingredients: lemon, watermelon. According to many experts, watermelon contains many different nutrients and also has amazing aphrodisiac properties such as citrulline and lycopene. It should be noted that you shouldn't add salt, sugar, spices or any other flavors as they can reduce the power of those 2 main ingredients. Preparation: cut the watermelon first and mix it in a blender. You should get about 1 liter of watermelon juice. You should also blend the white lining of the watermelon shell since it is rich concentrated citrulline. Once blended, pour the juice into a pot and boil it for 5 minutes. Once boiled, add the lemon juice and mix these ingredients well. Allow the mixture to boil until you get half of the amount. In the end, leave the mixture to cool down and transfer it to a clean glass bottle. Store it in your fridge. Use: in order to get the best results, you should drink 2 tablespoons of this natural remedy in the morning and 2 more in the evening. If you consume it on a regular basis, it will improve your potency and sexual performance in no time. The best part is that this remedy is safe for people of all ages and both gender as well.